Today on Myth Busting Monday, we're tackling one of the most common questions I get from buyers and sellers. Should I wait for the market to crash before I buy or sell a home in Henderson? Spoiler alert, waiting might cost you more than you think. As a seasoned Henderson, Nevada realtor, I've guided clients through hot markets, slowdowns, and everything in between. And here's the truth. Home values in Henderson have climbed 42% in the past 5 years. Inventory remains tight. That's less than 3 months supply right now. And Henderson continues to attract demand from California, Arizona, and beyond. So no, we're not seeing a crash. We're seeing a return to normal, and that matters. Sure, 2008 made an impact, but today's market is different. Better lending practices, much stronger equity, and continued demand. Waiting for a crash, you might miss your window and pay more down the road. Remember, you can refinance your interest rate. You cannot go back and buy last year's prices. So buyers, here's how to move smart in today's Henderson real estate market. Number one, get pre-approved, especially with the lender that's familiar with first-time buyer programs. 2, focus on lifestyle fit, not market perfection. 3, look where days on market are rising. You may gain some negotiation power in that market segment, whether it's a neighborhood or a price point. Ask about 2-1 buy downs and seller credits to lower your upfront costs. And lastly, invest in strategy, not speculation. A solid plan beats market timing every time. And to the sellers, if you're thinking about selling your home in Henderson, Nevada, don't wait for the spring momentum or that perfect market. Buyers are active now, especially in areas like Madeira Canyon, Anthem Highlands, and Green Valley Ranch. A well-priced, well-marketed home is still getting offers today. So whether you're buying your first home, upsizing, or selling for top dollar, don't guess your way through it. Let's build a plan that works for your goals in Henderson, Nevada real estate market. Call or text me today to book your free strategy session. No pressure, just expert insight from a local Henderson realtor that you can trust. See you in the next video.